Namaste, myself Rohini Khurana, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostics. Today we are going to discuss about computer ergonomics. What is computer ergonomics? Ergonomics is the science of designing a job, equipment and workplace to fit the worker. The goal is to optimize the fit between each worker and his work environment to optimize performance and reduce the risk of repetitive strain injuries. Computer ergonomics, sometimes called visual ergonomics, addresses ways to optimize your computer workstation to reduce the specific risk of computer vision syndrome, neck and back pain, carpal tunnel syndrome, and other disorders affecting the muscles, spine, and joints. Now, why computer ergonomics? Many people spend hours a day in front of a computer without thinking about the impact on their body. They physically stress their bodies daily without realizing it by extending their wrist, slouching, sitting without foot support, and straining to look at poorly placed monitors. These practices can lead to cumulative trauma disorders or repetitive stress injuries, which create a lifelong impact on health. Symptoms may include pain, muscle fatigue, loss of sensation, tingling, and reduced performance. Ergonomics is a field of study that attempts to reduce strain, fatigue, and injuries by improving product design and workplace arrangement. The goal is a comfortable, relaxed posture. Now, there are some tips related to ergonomics. These are: you don't need an expensive consultant to create a computer workstation that reduces your risk of stress, digital eye strain, and potential injury from prolonged computers use. Here are several helpful computer ergonomic tips, such as sit so your head and neck are upright and in line with your torso, not bent down or tilted back. Next is face your computer screen directly. Avoid viewing your screen with your head turned or your back twisted. Next, keep your elbows comfortably close to your body. Next, use a chair that provides support for your lower back and has a cushioned seat with a countered front edge. Next, keep your mouse close to your keyboard so you don't have to reach for it. Next, position your computer display so the top of the screen is at or slightly below eye level. This will allow you to view the screen without bending your neck. Next, adjust the position of your display to prevent reflections of overhead and outdoor lighting appearing on your screen. Next, put your monitor close enough to your eyes so you can comfortably read text on the screen without leaning forward. Next, when working with print documents, use a document holder that positions them at the same height and distance as your computer screen. Next, use a hands-free headset when talking on the phone while working at your computer. Also, you can increase your comfort and reduce physical stress by adjusting the height of your chair and desk so your upper arms are perpendicular to the floor, not stretched forward or angled backward. Your forearms, wrist, and hand form a 90-degree angle with your upper arm. Your thighs are parallel to the floor and your lower legs are perpendicular to the floor. Your wrists and palms are not resting on sharp edges. If you wear bifocals or trifocals, you should be able to comfortably view your computer screen without tilting your head back. If this is not the case, consider purchasing computer glasses. Following these tips, you will help your body to avoid stressful postures that lead to headache, neck pain, back pain, and computer vision syndrome. But remember, prolonged computer work, even at an ideal workstation, is stressful to your body and your eyes too. To relieve stress that can lead to computer vision syndrome and physical disorders, be sure to take frequent breaks when working long hours at a computer. Stand up and move away from your computer for short breaks every 20 to 30 minutes if possible. During these quick breaks, stretch your arm and back and let your eyes relax their focus by looking at something at least 20 feet away. Also, blink fully and frequently to reduce your risk of dry eyes from computer use, and apply artificial tears to moisten and lubricate your eyes as needed. Now arrange your workstation. Every time you work, take time to adjust workstations that aren't quite right in order to minimize awkward and frequently performed movements. Now adapt laptops. Laptop computers are not ergonomically designed for prolonged use. The monitor and keyboard are so close together that they cannot both in the good positions at the same time. For prolonged use, it's best to add a separate monitor and keyboard. The laptop can be placed on books, so the key top of the screen is at the eye level. Then use the external keyboard so that your elbows can rest at 90 degrees by your side. Now modify your body mechanics during computer usage. Do you wear eyeglasses? Make sure they fit properly to avoid tilting your head. Type with the light strokes and try to keep your muscles relaxed. Sit tall, aligning your ears, shoulder and hip. When you sit, think about making yourself an inch taller. Switch hand when using a mouse if you are able. Completely rest your wrist during breaks, including taking your hand off the mouse. Now adjust your work pattern. Reduce prolonged computer time whenever possible. Break work into smaller segments and switch between tasks that use different motions. For example, alternate use of mouse with reading and searching the web. Move. Movement has many benefits. It relaxes tissues, lubricates joints, prevents stiffness, improves circulations, reduces fatigue, and builds stamina. One study showed that heavy computers users who successfully avoided computer-related pain moved every 7 minutes. At least every 10 minutes, take a short 10-20 second break. Take your hands off the keyboard and move. Every 30 to 60 minutes, take a brief, around 2 to 5 minute break to stretch or walk around. Now computer ergonomics to ease eye strain. Prolonged use of computers and other digital devices strain the eye as well as other parts of the body. Anyone who uses computer for extended periods, whether on the job, at school or at home for enjoyment, is at the risk for headache, burning eye, red eye, stiff neck and other symptoms that comprises computer vision syndrome. One way to reduce computer related discomfort by becoming more aware of your body during computer work and adjusting your workstation and viewing habits to avoid these problems. Now there are some exercises at computer while working you at computer. These are for neck and shoulder. Exercises are neck rotation. In this, slowly rotate your head as far as comfortable to the right and then to left. Next exercise is shoulder rotation. By circle your shoulders, then reverse direction. Next exercise is head side to side. In this exercises, bend your neck so left ear approaches left shoulder and then repeat for the right. Add a little resistance by pressing your hand against the side of your head. Next exercise is chin tuck. Slide your chin inward without bending your neck up or down. This is easiest to practice initially against a ball. Tuck chin in, attempting to touch back of the neck to the wall while also maintaining head contact. Don't jam your chin down to your chest. Next exercise is shoulder blade retraction. by pull your shoulders down and back. Next exercise is shrug. Slowly raise your shoulders towards ear and hold for a few seconds. Gradually bring shoulders down and relax. Now there are some exercises for your back, such as shoulder squeeze. In this, raise your arms in front of body with elbow bent and thumbs up. Pull elbow back, squeezing shoulder blade together. Hold for a few seconds and then release. Next exercise is stretch up. Sit up straight and imagine a cable attached to the top of your head. Gradually stretch to be as tall as possible and hold for a few seconds and then relax. Now there are some exercises for arms. First exercise is arm relaxation. By drop your arm and hand to your side. Gently shake them for few seconds. Next exercise is arm rotation. Raise your arm in front of your body. Rotate arms so palms face up. Then rotate so back of the hand face each other. Next exercise we have for hands and wrist. In this first exercise is wrist flex. With your elbow on desk, gently use left hand to bend right hand back toward forearm. Hold for a few seconds, then relax. Repeat on other side. Next exercise is finger fan. Spread your fingers as far apart as possible. Hold, then clenched fist and then relax. Exercises for fit are: first is toe curl. Flex toes up, then curl toes under, then release. Next exercise is foot rotation. Circle foot slowly from the ankle and then reverse. Exercises for eyes are eye roll. Roll your eyes clockwise and then clockwise briefly. Next exercise, palm eye. Without touching your eyes, cup hands lightly over eyes for 30 seconds to rest them from light. Next exercise is look away. Exercise your eyes by periodically looking away from your computer to focus on distant objects. Now keep fit. Physical fitness can help you avoid and treat problems related to computer usage. Build your stamina with exercises for strength, flexibility and cardiovascular health. So, when to get medical advice? See a clinician if you experience constant pain, numbness, weakness and other problems that interfere with your daily tasks. Thank you.